going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys having a great day today. I know I'm late. I hope everybody had a happy Halloween. I did, and it was good. It was good. If you guys can't tell by the sound of my voice, yes, I'm a little under the weather, and no, I don't have COVID, so don't even try me. I'm good. It's just a little head cold, a little sneeze here and there, or whatever the case may be, you know. But I'm taking my medicine. I'm good so far. So today we're not going to do anything major, but I want to add a feature to the LS400, and I think all LS400s should have these. Now I know first and third gen have like chasing taillights. The second gen, for some odd reason, don't have chasing taillights, and they're very hard to find. I wish I could find those, but unfortunately I can't. If you guys know anywhere, if you guys know any places that has chasing taillights for a second gen LS400, please let me know in the comment section below. But today we are changing my taillights into some LED blinking taillights. I got 6 of them because there's only 6 taillights right here, and this middle part right here. And I went ahead and got a little ahead of myself and got started. Well, I ain't got fully started. I just, you know, took the time out to see what I have to do. Now, this is your tail light slash what can I say? Your tail light slash park lights. This is your reverse. I'm planning on changing this to LED soon. I couldn't wait. I just wanted to go ahead and try these out. So you guys already get the idea. I'm gonna take this out and put an LED reverse light on this thing. And the only way to change this, you got is this one screw that sits behind here, and this actually goes upwards. So you just go ahead and maneuver it out, and you're good. Just change this bulb and you're free. And as for this one, you got 2 plastic clips, and you got screws right to the back of here and down there. Well, y'all can't see it, but y'all get the gist. There's one up here, one down there going through that way, and hopefully I don't have to take this off in order to remove this tail light, because I don't know if there's a screw in there. So yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and do that real quick. I'm gonna change these out, and yeah. Oh yeah, here's a little preview of what it's gonna look like. They got this little button thing. Sheesh. All right, guys, so I got one of the bulbs in. This is the bulb that goes onto this tail light. And yeah, if it doesn't work, flip it around. That's what I did because it didn't work at first. So bang. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start on this one. I'm gonna see, like, hopefully it's just these 2 clips with the screws inside, and there's no screw in that side, hopefully, because I haven't seen any single video on how to take this off. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick. All you need is one of these pick tools, and go ahead and take these clips out. I personally like using this one because it got more angle. So I just, hopefully I just bop and bop. Yeah, these 2 clips, and these 2 screws, and it looked like they double as 10. So I'm probably just going to use a 10 instead of a screwdriver. All right, so it was just those 2 bolts. Thank goodness. They got these little studs right here to align the tail light in place, so that way it won't mess up. So I'm looking at this one. And then there's, let me see, this one at the bottom right here. So these 2, I'm gonna have to swap out. This is my turn signal. I am going to be changing this to LED as well with the resistors. I already did a video on how to do it with the cell and everything, so you guys get the gist. So I'm gonna go ahead and swap these 2 out real quick, and we'll see the final result. All right, guys, those work. Yes, sir. I'm going to put this back in, put everything back together, and do the other side. All right, guys, before I go ahead and do the other side, I'm just giving you guys the before and after. The before is going to be on the left side, the after is going to be on the right side. Of course, I'm going to be able to see it, but here we go. glad I'm changing these anyway. They look like they were on their way out. So, yep, glad I changed them. Alright guys, so I was looking at the playback features on the taillights. They look good, and bro, I couldn't be more happy than what I am right now. Like, bro, like seeing these taillights, well, of course they're, you know, regular. Putting the LEDs in there, bro, I couldn't be more happy, like I said. And I'm actually glad that I put these in there. Great feature, a great upgrade if you guys looking for something like that. Oh, the size for those things are 7443. I meant to tell you guys, just in case if I didn't edit it or throw it up on the screen. I probably already did it. Now, what I really don't like is that I can't find any aftermarket like plastic lenses, because I see some clear ones on eBay. Somebody already beat me to the punch. I was going to swap them out. Well, not with this one. I was going to go to the junkyard, get some taillights for like these and swap them out. All that fun jazz, and then just put it as aftermarket. You know, y'all get the gist, man. Somebody beat me to the punch. Y'all got it. But I'm happy with what I got right now. Hopefully they make another clear set. I would love to swap these out. But that's all I got for you guys for today. I'm gonna just go ahead and clean up. I really got to clean out the trunk because I'm putting a amp back there, and I don't want all my tools just going all over the place. I know the LS400 isn't made to carry tools, but I usually carry them just in case if something bad happens. Say for instance, if I get stuck on the side of the road, if something malfunctions, I have my tools with me to actually get that straight. But I'm gonna just clean all of this stuff up. I'll probably just put everything in the Celica. About the Celica, y'all will be seeing the video. Y'all will be seeing more videos on it. Celica content is coming back, so just be on the lookout. Anyways, guys, I hope this was helpful for anybody that's looking for an upgrade like this. I got those bulbs from Walmart, just in case if anybody asks. If it did help you guys out, and if you guys enjoyed it, make sure you hit that like button. Also, subscribe if you haven't done so. Turn on that post notification bell so that way you know every time when I post. With that being said, guys, I'm out. Love you guys. Stay safe. And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.